Hello everyone, my name is Tarık Burak. My department is Computer Science. This is my experiment video of Physics 102. My experiment name is Determination of Capacitance of Capacitor. The aim of the experiment is finding the factors that affect the capacitance of the capacitor. After finding that factors, how the factors affect the capacitance will be examined. I made a homemade capacitor with using paper and aluminium foil. It is important to put some weights on the homemade capacitor because extra air between the plates can cause wrong measurement. This is the setup of the experiment. We put some weights on the homemade capacitor and make the measurement. This procedure is repeated for different areas of the plates. Also, I use multimeter for the measurement. After the measuring capacitance with the different areas, the experiment is conducted for the different distance between the plates. For this purpose, we use this rail, and by the ruler, we can measure the distance between the plates easily. Different distances are measured, and then we change the dielectric material. I use paper, glass, and wood for this purpose. After the data are recorded, I turn that data into graphs to get more clear results. This graph demonstrates that capacitance and 1 over distance graph. In this part, distance between the plates is stated as independent variable. The area of the plates and the dielectrical material are stated as controlled variable, and the capacitance of the capacitor is dependent variable. It's easily seen that while 1 over distance is increasing, the capacitance of the capacitor is also increasing. So that while the distance is decreasing, the capacitance is increasing. In the second part of the experiment, the dielectrical material is independent variable. The distance between the plates and the area of the plates are controlled variable. The capacitance of the capacitor is dependent variable. According to the results, we can see that the dielectrical material is changed the capacitance. So every matter has its own dielectrical constant. In the last part of the experiment, the area of the plates is independent variable, the distance between the plates and the dielectrical material is controlled variable, the capacitance of the capacitor is dependent variable. This graph is demonstrate that capacitance and area of the plates graph. According to graph, we can see that while the area of the plates is increasing, the capacitance is also increasing. To conclude all of the experiment, we can reach that the capacitance of the capacitor is dependent on the area, the distance between the plates, and the electrical material. So we confirm that the capacitance equals the epsilon 0 dot the electrical constant K dot the area of the plates A divided by the distance between the plates D.